It's currently raining today. Wish me luck. Good morning, guys. It is a rainy day today, and I'm on my way to Makati to meet up with Sir Ace. He's gonna have a YouTube talk with 3 other speakers, and it's a collaboration between Thoughtful PH, Moza Philippines, and YouTube Vloggers PH. This is gonna be exciting, so let's go. I just arrived here at the venue. Let me just eat first, and these guys are actually doing some magic right now. You know how John tends to do some magic tricks? Tends to do that a lot in his vlogs. Hello!
Yo, Joe!
It's nice to see you. I see that you're doing magic over there yet again.
Yeah, always. Every day, all day. You already know.
After John's magical performance as usual, let me just introduce you guys to some people. Sir, how are you feeling right now?
Relax lang, but I'm so excited to share some of my skills, expertise in vlogging using the Moza Mini S. Hindi naman ako expert doon, but the way to level up their vlogging, yun ang gusto ko i-share talaga. So yun, very thankful at Thoughtful Philippines, YouTube Vloggers Philippines, tsaka tayo na-invite. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Ronald. What is up? AZ Buscana.
Do you have a channel?
AZ Buscana yun. More on random lang.
Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm shy.
Nagbablog pero siya
Oo nga eh.
Paano ka nagbablog? Walang mukha.
Parang
Behind the
nakakahiya pag
cam.
talagang vloggers yung kasama.
Hindi.
Hindi naman.
We'll be I will be delving into that more later on. But
What I like
before
about
we get started
going to these events is meeting
Mr. Gabor
other content creators, and these guys, I've known them for quite a while,
Opening
but
remarks,
we only see each other online. And it's only now we got the chance to meet up in things like these. So the talk is about to start. Let's go and do some B-rolls.
Yeah. Karaoke and celery. Empty show 2017. And I could rap you the record, just I would never sing. 20 minutes on stage, I played them everything. Oh, Gwinnett, life changed, but it ain't over yet. Rappers weren't sleeping on me, I just think they overslept.
They just finished the talk, and now we are here to check out this room. It's a green screen room, and they call it the Thoughtful Bubble. Let's check it out.
Where'd you find now? Balik tayo ng Paris. Paris. Ay, mali. Balik. Hindi, joke lang. Paris.
Green screen! Yeah! Oh my god, I am so amazed by this green screen room. There are 3 lights, 3 setups. 1 ring light in front of me and 2 side lights. I could make a lot of crazy green screen action in this place. Woo! So that is pretty much a very fun room to try, especially if you wanna mess around with the background. That's a good room to explore around. Anyways, I will end this vlog for today. I know it's a completely random one, but I hope I gave you guys some insights about for today, this interesting day about the workshop. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys.